Hi there! In this Millionaire Warrior Academy review, I'm going to show you a step-by-step program that teaches you how to create, launch, and sell digital products on Warrior Plus, even if you're starting from scratch. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. Oh, and I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Millionaire Warrior Academy through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. Who am I? Why listen to me? If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. What is Millionaire Warrior Academy? Millionaire Warrior Academy is a step-by-step masterclass that teaches you how to launch and scale a digital product business on Warrior Plus. It's designed for anyone who wants to create and sell their own digital products. Tap into Warrior Plus's massive affiliate clear work for instant exposure, drive traffic, build funnels, and recruit affiliates for ongoing sales. Earn passive income by launching products consistently. The best part, no tech skills required. This course walks you through the entire process. Now, let's be real. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Millionaire Warrior Academy provides you with the tools, training, and strategies, but your success depends on taking action. Standout features. Here are some standout features that make this course worth considering. Step-by-step masterclass. Easy to follow modules guiding you from product creation to launch, affiliate-driven sales. Learn how to recruit affiliates to sell your product for you. Traffic training. Organic and paid traffic strategies to drive consistent sales. High converting funnels. Build sales funnels that maximize conversions. Lifetime access. No monthly fees, just one-time access to all updates. Now, let's take a quick look at how it works. It's super straightforward. Step 1. Sign up and access the training inside Millionaire Warrior Academy. Step 2. Follow the step-by-step modules to create, launch, and market your product. Step 3. Implement traffic strategies, recruit affiliates, and watch the sales roll in. No guesswork, just follow the blueprint and take action. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hi there. Have you ever dreamed of launching your own digital product and making consistent, scalable income online, but felt overwhelmed, unsure, or stuck on where to start? Have you ever wanted to escape the 9-to-5 grind and build a business that lets you work on your own terms? Have you ever spent hours researching product ideas, only to feel paralyzed by the sheer amount of information out there? Have you ever imagined waking up to sales notifications and thinking, that could be me, but didn't know how to make it happen? Have you ever tried launching a product, only to struggle with driving traffic, recruiting affiliates, or converting visitors into customers? The stage is set. The lights are on. Imagine this, you, stepping into the spotlight, no longer a spectator in someone else's success story, but the star of your own. For years, you've felt it, the untapped potential, the hunger for more. You've dreamed of financial freedom, time to live life on your own terms, and the power to turn your ideas into income. But here's the plot twist, you're not stuck anymore. The opportunity you've been searching for is finally here. Introducing the Warrior Plus Millionaire. A professional, cutting-edge system built to transform everyday individuals into digital product powerhouses. This isn't just a program. It's your co-star in a story where you rise to success. A step-by-step guide that takes you from the basics to brilliance, empowering you to launch, market, and scale your own digital product on Warrior Plus with confidence. No fluff. No guesswork. Just results-driven action. The question is, are you ready to step into the role of a lifetime? Your moment is now. The credits haven't rolled yet. Rewrite the script, claim your success, and let the Warrior Plus Millionaire be the key to your breakthrough. Ready to become the star of your own success story? Let's roll! Here's what makes the Warrior Plus Millionaire so exciting. It's not theory, it's proven. Backed by strategies that have driven six-figure product launches, this masterclass cuts through the noise and gives you what works. It's designed for anyone. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned marketer looking to level up, this course is tailored to meet you where you are. It's a complete system. From product creation to affiliate recruitment to scaling, nothing is left out. It's packed with tools. Done-for-you templates, sales page formulas, and checklists that fast-track your results. It's a shortcut to your dreams. Imagine skipping the years of trial and error and jumping straight to strategies that deliver real results. Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of feeling stuck in the endless cycle of planning without results? Are you unsure how to turn your idea into a product people will actually buy? Or maybe you've launched before, but the results didn't meet your expectations. The Warrior Plus Millionaire is here to change that. Here's what you'll discover inside this game-changing masterclass. How to create an irresistible product that solves real problems and grabs attention in a crowded marketplace. How to set up your Warrior Plus account the right way, so you're ready to start selling without headaches. How to craft a sales funnel that maximizes conversions and profits at every step. How to recruit affiliates who are motivated to promote your product and drive sales on autopilot. And most importantly, how to scale your success so your income grows even while you sleep. This isn't just about making one-time sales. It's about building a system that works for you long after your product launches. Imagine this. Waking up to sales notifications from customers around the world. Seeing your product rank on the Warrior Plus marketplace, attracting affiliates eager to promote for you. Finally achieving the financial freedom and flexibility you've been striving for. Sound too good to be true? It's not. With the Warrior Plus Millionaire, this dream is within your reach. And you're not doing this alone. This masterclass is packed with proven strategies, actionable steps, and insider tips that have helped countless creators achieve success on Warrior Plus. So, how does it work? You'll get instant access to comprehensive training modules that break everything down step by step. Done-for-you templates and checklists to save you time and eliminate guesswork. Bonus strategies to take your results to the next level. And premium support to ensure your questions are answered every step of the way. Ready to transform your life? Click the button below and take the first step toward becoming the next Warrior Plus success story. Don't wait, opportunities like this don't come every day. Join the Warrior Plus Millionaire now and unlock your potential. The road to financial freedom starts here. Don't let this chance slip away, act now, and let's build your Warrior Plus empire together.
Upgrades, OTOs. What else is inside? After purchasing the main course, you'll see a few optional upgrades that can help you scale even faster. Here's a breakdown. 1 OTO 1, Funnel Boost Formula, 67. Learn advanced sales funnel techniques, high converting page creation, and traffic strategies. 2 OTO 2, DFY Plug and Play Profits, $47. Get done for you email sequences, DFY product packages, and direct support to fast track your success. 3 OTO 3, Total Funnel Profit Partner, 67. Reseller license, earn 100% commissions across the entire funnel and sell it as your own product. 4 OTO 4, White Label Goldmine, $247. Rebrand the entire course with your own name and logo. Keep 100% of the profits and become a digital course owner. Which ones should you get? If you're serious about scaling, I'd recommend OTO 2, DFY Profits, and OTO 4, White Label License. But pick the ones that align with your goals. What I like about Millionaire Warrior Academy: perfect for beginners, no experience needed, just follow the steps. Affiliate-driven sales. You don't need an audience to start making money. No monthly fees, just a one-time payment for lifetime access. Scalable model. You can launch multiple products and grow your business over time. What could be improved? not a magic push button system. You need to take action to see results. Upsells may not be necessary for everyone. While useful, pick only the ones that align with your needs. Final verdict: should you get it? Is Millionaire Warrior Academy worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, proven system to start selling digital products on Warrior Plus, then yes! The best part: you can grab it today for just $16.97 instead of the usual $97 a month. Click the link below to grab Millionaire Warrior Academy Plus, my exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching my Millionaire Warrior Academy review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money-making strategies. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. See you inside Millionaire Warrior Academy.